Hey everyone, welcome back to Corporate Decoder, the place where we uncover the hidden stories inside official financial documents. And boy, do we have a juicy little announcement today that is going to change a lot for a certain regional bank. So imagine this, you are a bank, you've been chugging along doing your thing, and suddenly you announce a big acquisition, a deal that is going to make you bigger and better. That is exactly what ENB Financial Corp is telling us in their latest report. This report is dated the 12th of January 2026, and it is all about a major step forward for ENB Financial Corp. They've been working on buying another company, and now they've got the green light. Basically, all the important people and organizations that needed to say yes have said yes. ENB Financial Corp, the company we're looking at today, is making some big moves. They announced that they, along with their wholly owned subsidiary, the Ephrata National Bank, have gotten all the necessary approvals from their shareholders and from regulators to buy Cecil Bancorp Incorporated and their subsidiary Cecil Bank. Think of it like this: ND is like a big brother bank, and it is about to swallow up another smaller bank company, Cecil. This is a huge deal for a company like ND, as it means they'll be expanding their reach and their services potentially. This announcement is so important that they've attached a press release to this filing dated the 12th of January 2026 with all the exciting details. Normally, this kind of news is what gets people talking and investors looking closer at the company. It signals growth and a strategic move to increase their market presence. This section basically tells us that something important and unusual happened and they need to report it right away. In this case, the big news is that all the parties involved in the acquisition have received the necessary nods of approval. This removes a major roadblock and moves the deal closer to completion. It means the company is likely on its way to becoming a larger entity with more assets and potentially more customers. Now, with any acquisition like this, there are always a lot of details involved. Because this is such a significant event, they've included a press release as an exhibit. This press release likely goes into more detail about the terms of the acquisition, the expected benefits, and what it means for the future of both companies. It is their way of officially announcing this development to the public and to their investors. And for the super techie folks out there, this report also comes with an interactive data file. It is like a digital version of the report that computers can read and analyze easily. This is part of the move towards more transparent and accessible financial reporting, making it easier for everyone to understand the numbers. Looking at the signatures here, we see Douglas P. Barton, the Executive Vice President, Chief Financial Officer, and Treasurer. This tells us that this report has been properly reviewed and authorized by the key financial people at ENB Financial Corp. It is their official stamp of approval on the information being disclosed. So what does this all mean for ENB Financial Corp? This acquisition of Cecil Bancorp Incorporated is a clear signal that the company is not content to stay small. They are actively pursuing growth through strategic acquisitions. This can bring significant benefits like increased market share, a larger customer base, and potentially a wider range of financial products and services. However, it also comes with risks like the challenge of integrating two different company cultures and systems, and the financial burden of such a large deal. We'll have to keep an eye on how smoothly this integration goes and if NB can truly leverage this new size to its advantage. That is our quick decode of this NB Financial Corp filing. What is your take on this bank acquisition, and what do you think it means for the future of NB and the regional banking landscape? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you found this breakdown helpful, give us a thumbs up and subscribe for more insights from the world of corporate finance. And don't forget to check out our Discord community linked in the description for more in-depth discussions. Thanks for watching. See you next time.